So welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. I just wanted to show you something really quick. First of all, I found another Dollar Tree. Loving it. But I wanted to show you something that a lot of people don't think about. Around the holiday times, people are making gift baskets and things like that. People get upset because they can't find cellophane and they run out of shrink wrap. So I wanted to show you window treatment. It's a nice little hack. It is the same shrink film concept that you get in the party section, but you notice it is 60 by 72 inches, so you get a nice little bit of that. You can cut it, tape it, and shrink it, or you really don't even have to tape it if you fold it properly. But you can cut it, shrink it, and do what you have to do to make it work for your gift baskets. So while you're out shopping and you're out picking up things, if they run out of things you need, sometimes you have to be creative. So here's a quick tip for you. I hope this helps somebody.